And with problem 6, we have a store owner will buy 45 cordless phones from a wholesaler if the price is $10 each, but only 20 if the price is $60 each. The wholesaler will supply 35 phones at $30 each and 70 at 50 each. So we need a supply function and demand function, and we need to find market equilibrium. So to start with, they are saying that they will buy, so that is demand. And the other, of course, is going to be supply. In both cases, we are given 2 points, so we need to use point slope form for this one. And so we also need to remember that our y value is always money. So we will have 4510, and we will have 2060. On the other side, we will have 3530, and we will have 7050. So both of these, to get the point slope form, we will need a slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I'm going to go ahead and label points because I haven't done that yet. x1, y1, x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2. So we will have y2 minus y1 is going to be 60 minus 10 over 20 minus 45. I don't want to do that in my head, so I'm going to let Wolfram handle that for me. We get a slope of -2. So now point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. We will have y minus y1 is 10, our slope is -2, and our x1 is 10. And no, our x1 is not 10. Our x1 is 45. So we'll give that to Wolfram and get the alternate form that we prefer. So y minus 10 is equal to -2 times x minus 45. And the alternate form that I like is right here. I will put the x value first, though. So y is equal to -2x plus 100. And then everyone, for our supply function, we need to do the same. So we've got to get a slope going. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 50, y1 is 30, x2 is 70, x1 is 35. And I'll let Wolfram handle that one for me. So I've got 50 minus 30 over 70 minus 35. And I get a slope of 4/7. So point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. We've got y minus y1 is 30 is equal to 4/7 times x minus x1 is 35. Again, I'll give that one to Wolfram and get an alternate form that I prefer. I end up with y is equal to 4/7 x plus 10. Okay, and as we have done in the past, all we need to do is take these two equations, give them to Wolfram, put the word and in the middle, and it will solve them simultaneously. So y is equal to 4/7 x plus 10 for the second one. Let's see what we've got. And we end up with the solution. Did I do something goofy again and put a plus sign? Yep, I put a minus sign there instead of an equal sign. There we go. We end up with negative 63 and negative 26. That's not right. Okay, everyone, you can see my answer makes no sense. And it is because I did miss the negative in front of that 2 right there. Hopefully that will fix it. There we go. Just a typo on my part. Thank goodness. So we do end up with x is 35 and y is 30. So this company should, let's see what our questions here are. Market equilibrium occurs when we produce and sell 35 phones at a price of $30 each. So produce and sell 35 phones at a price of $30 each. No more, no less. And that, everyone, is market equilibrium. It tells us how many to produce and at what price for everyone to be happy. If we produced more trying to make more money, we would actually lose money because they would not sell, and we would have paid the costs to sell them, but we would not be making any revenue because, again, there would be enough out there that no one wanted to buy anymore.